Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will remove the door panel. This is a Peugeot from 2016. It's a Peugeot 308 model. This door panel have two screws, one here in the door handle and one on the bottom. The screws are Torx T20. You'll have a plastic cap. You need to take the plastic cap out. Disconnect the window switch, push and pull plug. The other screw it will be on the bottom. If you want, you can remove this piece of plastic trim also with a plastic removal tool, or just pulling. There are 4 plastic clips. The door panels have clips. Remove this also. Now pull upward. You can see that clips are still on the door. I break 3 clips. 1, 2, 3. This is how it looks on the interior. The speaker have Torx T20 or T25. And this is it guys, this is how you remove the door panel. The clips are very bad. Thank you for watching, bye bye.